Hello and welcome you back to my YouTube channel. It's your host Kevin Blackman, also known as Credit K, Boss Up with K, where I teach you how to get business credit, personal credit, and then turn those into passive assets, starting businesses, way to flip that credit into income. We're about that on this channel. So hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm going to start bringing this content daily to you throughout 2023. So I'm here with another great business credit product. I talk about business credit, personal credit, both on this channel. If you like that information, you're going to love this video. So I recently got approved for the PayPal business credit card. Bow, no cap on the wrap. Even show you my name here. My name. I can't see all that. All right. You see it, you approve little baby credit limit, but this is for a business credit card through PayPal, cash back. Now it was they did a soft pull to determine if I was approved. Once I got approved, they did do a TransUnion hard pull. And this reports to business credit, PayPal, Master. I'm very upset with that, but I'm gonna tell you what I did wrong and how you guys can do better and get a higher limit with PayPal business cards. So first off, data points. They did do a soft pull, pre-approved me, and then once I hit accept, they went ahead and did the hard pull. The hard pull came from Equifax and TransUnion. So they will do a hard pull personal after you get approved. So you can go ahead and do a soft approval. They approve you. Once you accept, then they do the hard pull. Now, I recently did a PayPal business loan. I got $40,000 for my PayPal loan. I'm about halfway paying that back. It's a 2-year loan. So, and I'm paying back, $1,000 more every month. And, so that debt is in PayPal's internal system. Now, since it's on my business side, does not show up on my personal credit, but when they read my business credit ratings, they see that on the file. So I think that's one of the reasons why they gave me such a low limit, only $15,000, even though they gave me, 30 on the business side. Business loan, they only gave me $1,500 on the business credit card. It's crazy. But I also have a PayPal personal line of credit. That line of credit does report to my personal credit. At one time it didn't, then they changed the rules. They made it start reporting to the personal credit. Even though it was registered through my business, it now shows up on my personal credit report. So that's another loan I have through PayPal. Even though I don't have any money out on that line of credit, it's totally paid off, totally available for me 100%. That's still just extra lines of credit that PayPal sees. So all that accumulation kind of weighs on your how much money they're going to give you. Plus with the economy, they see you pulling in so much money, they get kind of, risk avert. They don't want to take so many risks, or they lower the limit on you. But I can ask for a credit limit increase in the next 3 months, which I am going to do. So we covered that. We got the data points. Show you, some of the stuff. I actually going to show you the day I applied for the card. And then this video is coming, I got the card in the mail a couple of days ago. So I went ahead and finished up this video. But let's go ahead and take a look at the PayPal website, and then we can kind of see, the application process and some of the things around the credit card and how you can flip that card and make some money off it. Let's go. Here is the PayPal business credit card website. 2% cash back, no caps or annual fee. That's another great thing about this card. No annual fee. Most credit cards don't, but I think that's going to be a thing in the future with card companies giving more perks, and they're going to start charging annual fees. But we don't have to worry about this one. So far, they are backed by Concentra Card Company and WebBank. That was the WebBank was one to process my business loan through PayPal as well. And they do a lot of credit cards online. So if you get in the WebBank, Synchrony Bank, Once you get in one card, you really have a great chance of getting approved for all the others. So go ahead and try to get into the system the best way you can. A PayPal business account is required. Of course, relationship banking, having that PayPal business account already, having money already going into that account will definitely help your approval chances. It's not all about credit score these days. It's about revenue and credit scores when it comes to business credit and personal credit. So, you got fraud protection. You can add extended life warranties on cell phones, some other things. It's backed by MasterCard, so you can use it everywhere. So you can get the 2% cash back on meals, travel, marketing, which is not a whole lot. I like the 5% that the American Express and some other cards do. But 2% is still a little extra free money. And minimum eligibility requirements. They even give you what the minimum you need to do. Of course, PayPal account in 1 year in business. Now, there's no docs, but they can look at the Secretary of State if they want to do some verification, or they can just say how long you had your PayPal account. They could go off of that. I'm not sure. I had this PayPal account over 10 years before I applied, so I couldn't really guide you if that was the factor or how exactly they schedule or they, check if it's 1 year in business. Annual revenue of 5,000 or more. Like I said, that's stated. But they, like I said, I've been processing a lot of stuff through PayPal, but not, 5,000. Oh, that's annual, not monthly. That's annual. That's easy. That's, oh my God. I read that wrong. I thought that was 5,000 monthly. That's what most banks require. This is 5,000 annually. That's less than 1,000 a month, less than 500 a month for your business. So yeah, that should be easy to obtain. And then at least a 601. So you can barely have a 600 and get approved for this card, guys. Man, come on, let's go. Let's apply. Let's get to this. How to apply? Come here to apply. What credit bureau? Like I said, a hard pull with made personal Experian. Yeah, like I said, I didn't see anything on Experian. May need to go back and check that. But like I said, I saw it on my Equifax and TransUnion. So, it could be depending on where you're in the country. I know certain parts of the country, different credit bureaus pull from different, banks pull from different credit bureaus. But here they're saying they're pulling from Experian and they're checking the SBFE. So that's what they check my SBFE. And so I heard a couple of lines out there already. That's why I think my limit was so low. And then will this account be reported on my credit report? No. When to start using a card, a virtual card? No, my virtual cards. But like I said, it's kind of linked to your PayPal, so you can kind of use it with your PayPal account to pay some things. And monthly users, authorized users. So you can, authorize people to use the card, but it doesn't work as personal credit. So since it doesn't report the personal credit, it won't help people build personal credit. But it could possibly help people build business credit. I'm not sure how that works because it's tied to the business. So no, it won't help. Like, you can't be added to my business card and help your business. That doesn't make sense. So that is the PayPal business credit card review. You see where they're pulling from. You got some data points. You got my experience. No cap on this channel. I try to, bring you the cards that I have first, let you guys know about my experience as well. And then, they got debit cards and working capital and business loans. Like I said, they got PayPal has a whole host of business products. So it's one of the best business banks out there and one I advise everyone to do business with. You open up a PayPal account. It's easy to do transactions online. Easy to send people invoices with this. And like I said, they have a whole host of business financial products to help you grow your business. All right. Till next time. Thank you. And I want to invite you to my Facebook groups since you stayed around to the end of this video. Link down in the description where I talk about business grants free business grant information, free business credit information in that that Facebook group, as well as I want to invite you to my other YouTube channel, Boss Up with K, where I actually show you how to take these credit cards and turn them into, businesses, and how to use them with side gigs, gig economy jobs, courier jobs, driving gigs, how to use business credit to purchase vehicles and start your own transportation and logistics company. All right, till next time, we out.